Oh, thanks.
Well, maybe I'll see you around.
I'll see you around, okay?
Good man. See you around.
Okay. I'll see you around.
Okay.
I'll see you around, Kay.
See you around.
Mister, we'll have a look around if you want to leave us to it, okay?
I don't know. Maybe I should have.
You think? Still in all, we're gonna have a look around the place, huh?
I need your help. I look around at us. You know what I see?
Look around them. Through them.
All right, well, I'm gonna just take a look around.
No, look around you, okay? See this? This is the world.
That's him. Not from around here, then, is he? Not that I know of.
You're not from around here, are you?
He's not from around here.
And did you know that the only baby around here is you? And did you know that I can't even look at you right now?
Yeah, I did not know that.
I don't know, guys. I don't know.
Aaron, we need help around here.
You want to tell me why?
Someone's got to look after things around here.
Did good work around here, Catherine.
I'm sure we can find something for you to do around here.
But I like Tom. He doesn't do a lot of work around here.
Okay, then.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna miss you around here.
Yeah, me too.
Aldo, get Teresa.
Teresa!
Do you see what I gotta put up with around here?
Hi.
Hey.
You know what? I've been thinking about it. I'm really coming around on the name Ruth.
Stop it, Ma. I'm sure I can get Bernie to come around.
They're gonna come around the back!
You won't boss me around anymore?
I won't boss you around.
And you'll be nice?
And I'll be nice.
And you'll be topless?
Your father is my boss. I mean, not my boss, but he's my boss's boss. I mean, I don't know him, but I see him around the office.
We could get around her.
No, I'm kind of just getting around. I mean, not getting around.
Ah. No, it's the other way around.
You can't wait around for someone to help you.
Okay, there's no getting around that.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't be around you right now. Well, I can't be around you.
There's no one around. Why don't we just take this one?
Okay, do we have to talk like that when they're not around?
Where were they? Not around.
Oh, he's around. He's around.
Well, I would love to be around for you and the baby.
I need to be with my guy night. He's never around. And I'm at home with the baby all day.
Won't you dance around with me?
You guys take the long way around. And I'll hold him off.
Come on.
Go get him, Fred.
If I ever get back... Wait! I know who can help me. Why didn't I think of him before? If only he's still around.
You know, the thing is, I may not always be around.
Where are you going?
Well, I'm
Haru, there's a way you can help him.
I can't.
Please, there's no one around to see you. It's the only way.
Too bad no one will be around to see it.
Let me show you around. Here, let me. There you are.
Oh, that's just me, a long time ago. I like to have him around from time to time. Hey, I have to show you something. Come on.